Mountain views, 12-plus private acres, and custom woodwork throughout. This is North Country living done right. Privately situated and surrounded by natural beauty, this two-bedroom home offers the perfect balance of craftsmanship, comfort, and outdoor adventure in the heart of New Hampshire. Open concept kitchen, dining, and living area. Rich custom woodwork adds warmth and character, creating a cohesive design that feels both welcoming and refined. Large windows invite natural light inside, while framing picturesque mountain views. The kitchen features an extended bar that provides additional seating and naturally becomes a gathering spot for casual meals or entertaining. Just off the kitchen, a generous pantry with a conveniently located laundry area keeps everyday tasks organized and efficient. The main level also includes a comfortable primary bedroom with a private 3/4 ensuite bath, a half bath for guests, and the mechanical room, allowing for practical single-level living. Upstairs, the second bedroom offers its own 3/4 bath, ensuring privacy and comfort for guests or family. A separate stairway leads to a charming loft-style space, ideal for a home office, reading nook, or creative retreat tucked beneath the eaves. Step outside onto the expansive back deck and take in peaceful mountain vistas and the surrounding woodland. Direct snowmobile trail access from the property enhances the four-season lifestyle, offering winter adventure right from your doorstep. With privacy, thoughtful design, and access to year-round recreation, this 12-plus acre retreat captures the essence of New Hampshire living. It's a rare opportunity to own a beautifully crafted home where comfort meets the mountains.